Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to know if someone has uploaded your video on their YouTube channel. Okay, so you can just directly contact that uploader, or you can just say YouTube to take a copyright strike on that channel. Okay, so without further delays, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube studio, okay, and after that just go to copyright section, and here you can see the list of videos which are uploaded by other YouTubers. Okay, so if you scroll down, then here you can see if any other person has claimed on your video. Now here let's suppose that I just want to contact this person. Okay, as this person has uploaded my video and he has got 112 views, so I will just click on this contact channel, and here you just have to enter your email address, and YouTube will automatically contact with that person, and YouTube will request that person to remove your video. So I will just copy my email address. So this will be the email by YouTube, and the uploader will receive this email. After that you have to click on this send. After doing so, here you can see the video is removed from the list. Okay, YouTube will automatically contact with that uploader and he will remove that video. If he does not remove that video, then YouTube will automatically send a copyright strike on that channel. So this is how you can tackle and know if someone has uploaded your video on their YouTube channel. I have also made a lot of videos for new YouTubers. If you want to check, then you have to click here, or you can also visit my YouTube channel. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.